Today we'll be demonstrating how to assemble an 18-inch base cabinet. These will be the tools that you'll need for assembly. The full list will be in the description box below. First, apply a thin strip of glue in each pre-cut side groove on the cabinet frame. Before the glue dries, slide in the side panels into the grooves, pushing upwards to evenly distribute the wood glue. Secure the side panel to the frame using the provided metal L brackets, following the pre-drilled bracket holes at the top and bottom of the frame. Next, put in the bottom panel by sliding it down along the grooves from the top. From the drawer slides box, remove 2 gray-colored plastic clips and insert it into the holes on the back panel. Ensure that the clips are in the correct direction, with the long side facing the bottom edge of the panel, before screwing them on to secure. Finally, to complete the box of the cabinet, place the back panel piece down. Make sure that the back panel is flush and sitting in the 2 grooves in the side panels before nailing the panel pieces together. Secure the back panel to the bottom panel with screws using the pre-drilled holes as a guide. Screw on all 4 top corner brackets to secure the final shape of the cabinet box. Place the toe kick board to the bottom of the cabinet and nail it in place. After these steps, your cabinet box is completed. Next, we'll be demonstrating how to assemble the drawer box. Align the drawer side panel to the drawer face and hammer in place using a rubber mallet. Make sure that the correct sides are joined together so that all of the rounded edges match up, leaving a flat, flush side. Repeat the same process for the second drawer side panel piece, and use a nail gun to further secure the dovetail joint. Next, slide in the drawer bottom panel along the grooves, making sure that the smooth side faces up, before hammering on the drawer back panel in place and securing the dovetail joints with nails. Grabbing the drawer clips from the drawer slides box, place them in the corners closest to the drawer face. Make sure that the white pieces are facing inwards towards each other before screwing them on to secure. These drawer clip pieces will help to secure the slides when we do the drawer installation next. Grab a drawer slide from the box and slide it into the back panel clip. Secure the slide to the cabinet by screwing it on to the frame, and repeat the same process for the second slide. Once the slides have been secured, pull out the slides and place on the drawer box, making sure that the drawer notches are placed on the slides first. Then pull the slide all the way up to the drawer clip until you hear a click sound, confirming that the slides are secured to the clips. If you wish to remove the drawer later, simply click the 2 white pieces of the clip inwards and then the drawer can be removed. Grabbing the door hinges from the hinge box, screw them onto the door, Make sure that you are using the short, round-headed screws and not the flat ones, or else it will go through the door. Next, stick on the rubber door stops at the corners of the door. Align the hinge to the pre-drilled hinge holes on the frame of the cabinet and secure with screws. Place in the shelf clips at your desired shelf height and put in the shelf board. With this, your base cabinet is ready to be installed. For more assembly videos and updates on our products, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.